Did you know most people ruin scrambled eggs without realizing it? There's a little-known secret chefs swear by, and it changes everything. If you've ever wondered why restaurant eggs are so creamy but yours turn out rubbery, you're not alone. The problem starts before you even notice. The number one mistake? Cooking eggs on high heat. It's quick, but it destroys their delicate texture and leaves you with dry, crumbly eggs. Here's the game changer. Turn the heat down low and take your time. Eggs are sensitive. They need gentle heat to stay soft and moist. Stir them slowly and keep an eye on the pan. When they look just barely set, pull them off the heat. They'll finish cooking from their own warmth. This trick keeps your eggs creamy and melt in your mouth, never tough or overcooked. It's the secret that separates home cooks from pros. Try it tomorrow morning. Your eggs will suddenly taste richer and smoother, almost like you added cream, even if it's just eggs and butter. So next time you reach for the skillet, remember, low heat, slow cook, and stop early. That's the chef's secret to perfect scrambled eggs every time. Chefs won't tell you this, but I will. Like and follow Chef Didn't Tell You for more secrets.